In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-forward emails in Outlook. We'll cover both the classic Outlook desktop app and the new Outlook and web experience, so you can choose the method that matches what you're using. Let's start with the classic Outlook desktop app. From the Home tab, look for the Move group, then choose Rules and select Manage Rules Alerts. This opens the hub where all your mail rules live. Click New Rule to begin, then choose Apply Rule on messages I receive and click Next to move forward. If you want every incoming email to be forwarded, don't select any conditions on the next screen. Just click Next and confirm the warning that appears. It's simply letting you know the rule will apply to all messages. If you only want to forward certain emails, this is where you can check specific conditions, like messages from a particular contact, subject keywords, or other filters you prefer. Next, choose what the rule should do. In the list of actions, check Forward it to people or public group. You'll see that phrase underlined in the rule description. Click the underlined text to open your address book, then enter or select the email address that should receive your forwarded mail. Add it to the To field, click OK, and you'll return to the rule setup. Click Next to review exceptions if you need them. Exceptions are useful when you want to skip forwarding for certain messages, like those marked private or newsletters. After that, give your rule a clear name so you can recognize it later. Click Finish and your forwarding rule is ready. This rule runs automatically as new emails arrive, based on the conditions you set. Now, let's look at the new Outlook and the Outlook web experience. Click the gear icon in the top right to open Settings. From there, choose Mail, then select Forwarding. Turn on Enable Forwarding, and enter the address you want your mail forwarded to. Click Save to apply the change. If you want to keep originals in your mailbox as well, check Keep a copy of forwarded messages before you save. That way, you'll have both a forwarded copy and the message in your inbox for reference. That's all you need to set up auto-forwarding in Outlook, whether you're using the classic desktop app or the new Outlook and web. Make sure the destination address is correct and that your selections match how you want your mail handled. Thanks for watching.